Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the Q&A session 12 from the chapter of magnetism and matter. The topic is the calculation of the geometric length of a bar magnet if its pole strength and magnetic moment is known to us. So this session is in continuation of the session number 10, in which we have studied about the geometric length and the magnetic length of a bar magnet. And in that session, we have also learned that the magnetic length, say L, is equal to 5 by 6 into the geometric length of the bar magnet. So this was a relation which we have studied in the session number 10. And we also know that the magnetic moment of a bar magnet is equal to pole strength multiplied by the magnetic length. So here the question is, find the geometric length of a bar magnet if its pole strength is 16 ampere meter and the magnetic moment is 6 ampere meter square. So here, in order to find the geometric length, we have to find the magnetic length. So here the magnetic moment is given to us. The pole strength is also given to us. So from this formula, the magnetic length L will be equal to the magnetic moment divided by the pole strength. So this is equal to 6 divided by 60, and this will be equal to 1 by 10 meter, or this can be written as 0.1 meter. Now we have to find the geometric length, so I will be now using this formula. So magnetic length is equal to, that is 0.1 meter. This is equal to 5 by 6 into G, and G is the geometric length of the bar magnet. So G is equal to 0.1 into 6, which is equal to 0.6 divided by 5 meters, and this can be written can further be written as 0.6 into 100, that is equal to 60 divided by 5 centimeter, or we can simply say that the geometric length of this bar magnet is equal to 12 centimeter. So the geometric length of this bar magnet is equal to 12 centimeter. So thank you very much for joining this session. Have a nice day. Bye.